Shut up top. Bless up on yourself. Come tune into Jamaican P. Wagwan. Eh? Want to respect and bless it to Father God. See it? To bless you again. To get up the next morning. You see it? Want to say all I want to enjoy the Christmas. Respect. See me I say? Yeah man. You enjoy your Christmas. Things nice. You get your little Christmas present. Things nice. Now sit there now on the phone and get ready for the new year. See it? Alright. Just compound for compound a little reason in blood clot morning, yeah, you know. Feel nice. Nice out the door, yeah. See me I say? Eh? Burn one little spliff and catch a little vibes with you know. Before me go take off them clothes to post the cloth and go in the house, go put on some work clothes and go work. In idea, yeah. You see me? So could deal where I deal, you see? So thing is, you know, concept is you know, New Year come. People have them New Year resolution go on there. The concept is still, you know, the real deal is, you know, things are gonna really be fucked up. You see me I say? Things are gonna really be fucked up. I tell you no say. When you go and see the artists them come out with some fucked up ass song. Just like the song that we Cartel come out with. You know see that song there? The fucking song there, the video violent. For ages, woman and man go through them same thing there. Even till this day, woman and man go through them same thing there. A woman here can man do certain things. Because if you're looking at the video, watch the video carefully. If you see everything what go on in the video, the woman did that here can the man. You know see what go on? Eh? The woman did that here can the man. The end of the blood clot video. The end of the fucking video. You see how violent the end of the video was? The man use a knife and stab himself in the heart and take out the heart, and when the heart come out, I want plastic play blood clot heart come out. What kind of bomb buckler video that? Everything is violent. See, that's why government of Jamaica try to shut down the dancehall party thing we want to keep down there because everything is violent. See, blood clot, my father go do one song there. That violent. Pure violent in a blood clot song. Now you Cartel, your pitney come and I show you and I tell you how she feel. Eh? And the first message what you send back to your pitney hour. First message what you send back to your pitney hour. You two pussy clot worthless. Eh? No for uno artist. This year, no for uno I got jail. You hear me I say? No for uno I got blood clot jail. Remember what Jamaican people don't say here? Because simple means you want to blood clot. Well, times are changing, you know. Things is changing. Things is changing. See? Nowadays the blood clot you're not gonna be able to go buy your pitney school clothes. School clothes can't be too expensive. You ain't gonna be able to also all that money to put the clot and somebody up, you probably have to go beg to blood clot. For the rest of the money. If you buy your pitney school book, pencil. See me I say? Food that go up. See? You got rice that go up, you have sugar that go up. Every motherfucking thing that go up. Clothes that go up. No found no boy, you know, they wanna look for man clothes and watch man and see what man a wear and you think so you can take that and cuss man and all them look fuck with it. First of all, no for not go be able to afford no clothes. You will have blood clot thief in one do out there. Pretty soon you have to go top thief. No for boy, you have to start selling nobody. You see what go on? The world is fucking changing. You see what go on? Little pitney them where I grew up now. Little pitney them where I grew up now. I just blood clot yesterday. I'm going to look on blood clot Instagram, Facebook is upon. See? And YouTube is upon. You all over the blood clot internet now. One woman to pussy clot his son. See it? His son. can his son go Walmart to blood clot and make doctor push blood clot body sitting in a little boy body? We don't know where the woman go put in a little boy body. If you see the little boy body to push clot, me say when you no come up on the video, rapper crapper or Soulflow TV, one of them boy there, I go find the video and put it up there, I couldn't see it. Couldn't believe my blood clot here. It kind of funny still. Because when you look on it, you say, bumbo clot, I can't believe say the woman actually dress her son to come out and look so. And have a little boy body look so. Bumbo clot, that's what I want. The little youth them, see them now. I see news this morning to blood clot, one little black girl. See it? A twins, she have twins, 2020. Yesterday she have a two twin them. Pan Christmas. When you see what I want? Pan bumbo clot Christmas. When you see what I want? I news station, fear bumbo clot shit, depan. So what I want, man? Some mysterious things are going to start happening. See me I say? Guys, see? Enough of them here in America, you know. See, today at Christmas, yesterday I did Christmas, you know. See it? So today I like kind of like Christmas Eve or some shit. Not even Christmas Eve. Fucking after Christmas. Let's call it that. See? But check it out. Them did that hope say, and then they even put blast upon news and I say, oh, snow are going to come. So we are going to have snow for Christmas. A sunshine. Yeah. 60 degrees yesterday. Today about 55, 56. Feel good out here. Get me I say, can't control what God already control. See it? See it? A whole heap of things are going to go on. And I tell you now what I go and listen to Jamaican people. A whole heap of things are going to go on. A lot of the artists, them are going to get seek out now. You know, say, you know, hear nothing about squash and them blood clot tight pants boy, no more. You know, say what I go on? See, my father, them afraid to come back a blood clot Jamaica. You know, say what I go on? See, them lock up blood clot foot hype there, and him brother scatter blood clot. Scatter couldn't even help him. Scatter where him blood clot them. Foot hype blood clot. Step brother. I'm blood clot twin, cause two of them look alike. That boy scatter. You know, see them a dance. You know, see scatter, elephant man, and the rest of the artists. You know, see them a shake their leg and I say, whoa, we glad say boy they in a blood clot jail. Whoa, we glad say no. You know, see elephant man and blood clot scatter a dance off a boy. Dripping mouth boy, bumbo clot foot a hype. Them say your bumbo clot charge is job. Then why the fuck you know out? You know, see blood clot doctor love up there. All the time you see blood clot, batty boy doctor love, you know. All the time you see him to pussy clot and when you see him gone in a people business. Anytime you see the boy, you know, anytime the boy feel like he can jump in somebody's business and know something, you see him come out there like one little pussy clot rat. Like one little rat. No for now I go start crawl out of the blood clot closet too. All the way in the closet from last year, I go climb the fuck out of this year. You hear what me I say? No for no girl. No for no boy we have girl. No girl I go start climb out of the blood closet rude boy. You see me I say? No for the artists them go start climb out of the closet. Because 2020 and them must say them no give a fuck and they no business about nothing and they no business when nobody wants to say about them. You hear me I say no man? You hear me I say? Bumbo clock, hold on, I'm go build up another one pan attack, I can attack a serious dog. So my own boy with up on YouTube and I put up video. Teeth people video, put it up on the channel. Wanna make up a bunch of lies on the channel. Claim to say wanna follow the rules. Claim to say wanna not break none of the rules. Claim to say wanna have 100,000. Some wanna have 100,000, some wanna have more than 100,000. YouTube no know where to get it from. But when they claim to say wanna have 100,000. So when you no look for the little plaque from YouTube, wanna cry pan social media to wanna look at pussy fans them. And I cry and I ask YouTube and I tell YouTube say then warrior a plaque because you have 100,000 and you work hard feet. Uno boy has some little pussy pan ya you know. For real you know. I saw me know say someone wanna little boy on a weak no blood clot you know. If you not work for something or you expect to get something for something where you not work for. Can't get no congratulations for something where you know blood clot do you know. Someone on a boy with the pan you know. When if you go get job do. Me telling you know. YouTube I go start telling us if you go look work on a bumble on the pan ya. On a beg people them blood clot little money to pussy clot and on a walk feet. See it? On a put people video up there. See it? A people information and go get and put up there. You know, put up on no one shit and talk about no one blood clot shit. See it? People shit you know put up there every blood and expect YouTube for you know come like some big pussy wall. YouTube I go stop no phone if and get 100,000 cause you know work fake blood clot. No the fuck you know. Oh you have 100,000 somehow no boy. Oh you have 100,000 subscriber. And sometimes when you put up video to bumbo clot if you know call one artist name. I call somebody name when word calling to blood clot. Only don't get no fucking views. Bumble, I don't know get no ups. Pay dongs. You no fucking idiot. Cause what? You never work for the 100,000. You understand me? You no blood clot, you know. You never see me come up here and cry about no. But you no weak. Somehow no boy. No, God no, me lose half enough on no boy. I put on no weak. No blood clot. You no some real bitch. Bumble, you no look walk. Bumble clot. That piss me off to see you no look a youth go on pan ya. Like blood clot, YouTube won or nothing. YouTube I no daddy dog. Blood hole. You no go get something fit do. Bumble hole. Bun me face enough for no boy wanna go on pan your dog. Enough for can style me pan ya so blood clot. For real. Yeah. No for no boy. Where you pan for no blood clot. But let me tell you something. See this year, your girl have a secret for you no blood clot. No for no punk. When a girl have secret for you know, see Cartel don't go play blood clot video there and go sing song there. Eh? I want me no for a girl them blood clot yeah. So the girl can come out and tell no for no boy say them have give no bun for how long now. Bumbo clot and the picnic where she have and a fear. Bumbo clot. Remember me tell you that no for no boy take your jacket down there. Enough things are go on. You go see little pitney start come out now. No found no little pitney. I go start come to you now and tell you say I dick him love. Little girls them I go say I pussy them love. You know you walk one. Fuck. I will for things. Jamaica now. Jamaica go start change over now. 2020 the Chinese man them actually now go and take over Jamaica. You see me? The Chinese man them actually see them the part-time own Jamaica, you know. See now at 2020, the Chinaman them actually going to take over Jamaica. See the blood clot, big mouth blood clot boy they wanna have down the way around the country. In got China. You ain't come back and tell you say, say China say I go build school down there. No, you ain't come and tell you say, no, you ain't telling you the blood clot truth. China take over 2020. Wanna fuck, wanna go and see some new building a build up. Wanna go and see some new blood clot, different type of road and bridges, all type of fuck with I go start build up down there. Land them I go start take with the land them poor people. I go get run off of the blood clot land them. See them a start do them mining there. Guess what now? Guess what now? Them I go run out the whole like people them out of the blood clot community there. And they go and take it over and they go and be a mining spot. When them finding gold and all type of fuckery. See it? Jamaica 2020 soon come. It's right round the blood clot corner. Pure fuckery go on. Confusion. All who when I have their mind right, get your blood clot mind right. A winter time. See it? Now showing up the changes already. A winter time, you know dog. The sun hot out here. It is winter time, dog. 2-3 days ago snow did upon the ground. It is winter time out here. Sun hot. Me not lie. All this I need to probably come out of this. I sweat me and sweat underneath this. Wait up. Enough people now go make it home. Enough people didn't make it home last night. Enough people now go make it home when the new year start. Because people get up out of them bed and get up and feel nice. Them not get up, they don't worry about God, they don't worry about nothing, the things that can happen to them. You see me a blood clot say? People get up, there are people who get up man and them gone about them business. Gone about them blood clot business. I wish you hello after. I wish that the blood clot girl over there say hello upon bumbo clot man stop the church. She can't bumbo clot here. Now she way over there to blood clot talk about blood clot. Tell her, bitch, come back in at the bumbo clot house. Fuck, bitch, you can't hear, turn up the phone, people? Una hear her say hello. A blood clot. I for real, man. See? Things different, things are gonna change, dog. Yeah, man. You know what he's saying, no? 2020 are coming up. All the way I lace up them shoes. All the way I do this, all the way I do that. Them a do it in vain. Because the thing is, no for them not think about God. Nobody no believe in God no more, no. Eh? You know, say nobody no believe in God no more. Eh? All the things them where God say them have to do. And no to do. Then them a do it. Every fucking thing. See? A man and woman out here a fuck animal now. You know, see one woman up on YouTube, then catch him lock up in blood clot. Eh? Fuck animal. People like that fit dead, you know. The Bible said that, you know. See? Real talk, you know. That's why I go on. But clot. Things fucked up out here. See? If you notice how calm it is. Calm, you know. Calm all you can hear is the wind. Sun a shine. See? Yeah, man. New Year start, people not gonna make it home. Enough people not gonna make it home. Yeah, motherfucker, get up to pussy clot and then get up and go about them blood clot business. Now think about what can happen to them. You hear me telling you, say? Yeah? Anytime you step out there now, man, you have to go really pay attention because your life can just cut short up. Yeah, anything. Cut fucking short, dog. Because our next motherfucker. You see me I say? Yeah, man. For real, man. Enough people to pussy clot and go visit them family and blood clot. After they get done visit them family, then make it back home, you know? Make it back home. Car accident, flight gone down. They might kill over a blood clot table and dead same way. Go asleep to pussy clot, heart attack catch them. Now get up a bumbo clot. See me I say? Some people to pussy clot got bed down there, Jamaica to pussy clot, dopey put them blood clot on over them mouth and stifle them and kill them. You know much time dopey put them blood clot on over my mouth and almost kill me in my sleep at Jamaica. Clot. And so enough people dead at Jamaica too, you know. Enough of the whole man, they must start sending out them blood clot dopey fi kill people. You know so I go on. The whole man them now start work now. See? You see motherfucker company and sell whole heap of shit. You see motherfucker tell lie to the people them. Fi get people fi send them credit card. A whole heap of fuck I go on. Remember me tell you that. See? You got your job to pussy clot and don't change up the rules in your job. Then don't change up the blood clot rules in your job what you used to do. You can't do it no more. Then fuck up your comfort zone. Then don't hire some new motherfucker in your job to blood clot. Then come in there and then a nice. You get me I say? I just whole heap of things are going on, dog. See? You got people today. I bring back all I present them what them get. Cause some of them present some of them get clothes and they can't fit them. So them bring it back, get them money, put in them pocket. You have to watch where you go at Walmart, all them blood clot shopping center, all them places they full up here now. Cause people are bring back present and I collect money. Some people just bring back present and I switch it for something else. You get me I say? Some of them people there now go make it back home. Yeah, catch me drift no man. Catch my blood clot drift now. Catch me drift. See me I say? See? Catch me drift. See? A whole heap of things are going on. A whole heap of things are going on at Jamaica and a whole heap of things are going on here in America. Soon as 2010, 2020 lick, you're going to see some fuckery. You're going to see some real bad mind motherfucker. All the motherfucker way they love you last year. All that motherfucker going to be bad mind and be dirty mind. And now I got love for you and all I go think about themselves. Now I go think about you. Picture that bumbo clot. That I go start one. Motherfucker will start beefing themselves now. Because they must say, ooh, motherfucker this and motherfucker that and ray. So ooh, me have to be for myself, you know, and that me a trade for the new year, you know. You see some blood clot, bad mind motherfucker come out now. Closest people you have next to you are them going to be really blood clot, bad mind, you fuck. Yeah man. They might see one go and hold shit over your blood clotted seeing where they remember sitting where you did to them long time ago. And the fucker them will come and ring bell over your blood clotted. Every blood clot day about it. Yeah. They might be start nagging your bumbo clot. Yeah. Some real fucked up shit. Some motherfucker where you think close to your pussy clot where you know say for your heart clean. See? But for them heart not clean. You get me I say if them heart did clean last year, This year, they are not gonna be blood clot clean. Picture that. Real. Real talk, man. Real blood clot talk, the people. So me see it. Yeah. If you don't look at how Jamaicans piece certain things to blood clot, you know, say, oh, blood clot, you know, say, I don't like. Yeah, I don't like, you know. Real, man. I don't like. Yeah, man, if you picture them thing there, see, when you picture certain things, you know, you have to just picture it, you know, you see it, you know. Cause if you don't picture it that way, you know, you're not gonna see it that way. You see me, I say people, I say things set, you know. Yeah, man. Man, how much time that me have? So anyway, people, bless up on yourself. Have a blissful new year, blissful weekend. See it, and a blissful day today. See it, all the way I go back to work. Bless up yourself. See it, much love. Thank you, Walla Uno. See it, before me get off, I want to thank the people them who have been subscribed to my video from the start of my traditions and tradis that I did on YouTube. Zane, I did a amount of guarantee of so much things I did on YouTube. I couldn't tell nothing that I haven't done on YouTube, and I really appreciate the people them who come laugh with me, who come talk to me. See it? And we also support the channel. See it? I say bless upon yourself. It is a new year now. Someone now watch me from a long time. For a couple of years now, someone now watch me from the start my video them. Someone now watch me. I wanna still watch me. I wanna say bless up to the family, bless up to the friends. I hope the new year bringing on some good things. Get what me I say? For real. And when I talk about nothing bad, I hope the new year bringing us some good things. And God bless you. Come and be my friend and show me some love and tune into the videos them and, you know, show the videos them some love and rare. See? I respect that. Because every day you're going to find people where them put up a video and, you know, and like I said, you know easy. When you put up video up there, easy for you to get your subscriber them and get the people them who want to actually watch you every day. See? So now bless up yourself, respect, see it, and thank you again. You see me? Up top. A happy new year.